Hey guys, so it's dinner time and we are doing a veggie day. So my kids wanted sloppy joes, so what I'm gonna make is veggie lentil sloppy joes. And we're using our prepped in advance marinara sauce. So another way to reimagine this into a new recipe, give it new life, and this is gonna be super yummy. You can also put it on buns or you can put it in a lettuce wrap. Some people use bib lettuce. I like iceberg because it's sturdier. You can roll it like a taco and it's crunchier and I love that. So first we're going to cook our onion, garlic, and pepper. So this is half of a chopped onion. We have 2 of our minced garlic cloves. And now I like to peel my red pepper. This is something that my mom's been doing since I was a kid, so I just started doing it. Whenever I cook with red pepper, I usually peel it first, unless it's something where I specifically want that skin on there. But whenever I'm cooking red pepper with onions, I always peel it. It also kind of blends better because it kind of loses that kind of tough skin. So it becomes more the consistency of the onion, which I like better. So we're gonna dice this up and then throw this all in a pan. Quick dice. So these are, they're gonna be mixed in with the lentils. So you want to cut them however you like. If you like bigger chunks, great. I like making them a little bit smaller so they blend a little more in terms of like consistency with the onion. Great. Let's throw all these in a pan. So we're going to cook the onion and the pepper together. And then remember we talked about this before. I'm going to pop in the garlic like the last minute. Okay, so let it cook. Okay, garlic time. Okay, now we're gonna deglaze 1 cup of vegetable broth, marinara, 1 cup of our marinara, half a cup of our lentils, rinsed. Mix it all up, half a teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika, salt and pepper, and then we're gonna let it simmer for 20 minutes. Boink. So the last 5 minutes, you want to add half a tablespoon of mustard. We're going to add half of a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And we're also going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. We're going to mix this up and cook it for another 5 minutes. Great, so our sloppy joes are done. And now we're going to top it onto a bun. Make our sloppy joe. And then what I like to do is top it with a pickle. I always love a pickle. You can do bread and butter pickles, which are really yummy, or just a regular dill. There's a little lettuce on there too. I always love a little crunch. So there's our sloppy joe on our bun. And then here is another version. This is also a really yummy, like, vegetarian protein snack. A lot of times I'll just make a little taco and then just wrap it up. And you can put it in little like cups. And then we'll do a pickle. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Guys, thanks so much for hanging out. And I will see you guys next week. Oh, that's good.